Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about building an email list for affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn money online, but if you don't have an email list of engaged subscribers, you're leaving money on the table. 1. Why building an email list is important for affiliate marketing. Building an email list is important for affiliate marketing because it allows you to promote products and services directly to an engaged audience. With an email list, you have a group of people who have already expressed interest in what you offer and who are more likely to make a purchase. It's much easier to sell to people who already trust you, and building an email list is the best way to establish that trust. 2. How to build an email list for affiliate marketing. The first step to building an email list for affiliate marketing is to create something of value that you can offer in exchange for a person's email. This could be a free ebook, a discount code for a product, or access to a members-only area of your website. Once you have something of value to offer, you need to create a landing page where people can enter their email address in exchange for your offer. 3. Creating lead magnets for your email list. Lead magnets are a crucial part of building an email list for affiliate marketing. A lead magnet is something of value that you offer in exchange for someone's email address. It needs to be something that your audience wants and that aligns with the products and services you plan to promote. 4. Promoting your lead magnets. Once you have a lead magnet and a landing page, it's time to promote it. You should be promoting it everywhere you can, including your website, social media profiles, and other online communities where your target audience spends their time. 5. Nurturing your email list. Once you start to build your email list, it's crucial to nurture it. You don't want to send out promotional emails all the time, or your audience will quickly tune you out. Instead, you need to provide value on a consistent basis so your audience stays engaged with you and your brand.